Hello everyone, it's Katosu Army, or Drax here, and today we are going to be playing Nick All Star Brawl on Nintendo Switch. Now this is the first Nintendo Switch game I'm recording on my channel, so yeah. Now, I don't know how long I'm going to make this video for. It's probably going to be like a while. I don't know. But it is going to take a while to load up. But we do also want a lot of, to actually be able to hear the game. So we'll put it on 20 for the volume. Hopefully that won't blast your eardrums. Love the guitar riff, don't you? So yeah.
Nickelodeon All Star Brawl 2!
Now, I actually have already done the campaign, so I'm mostly just going to be doing online matches this video, but if you do want to see me play through the campaign, put a comment in below. So yeah, connecting the servers. So yeah. My mains are usually Ember and LT Gray. So yeah, let's search for a moment. But yeah. So I don't know how, like I said, I don't know how long I plan on playing these online matches for. What the heck? Hold up. Hold up, guys. There's a weird knocking. Hold up. What's up? I'm gonna pause here and Alright, let's go figure out what that knocking noise was. I switched camera to my phone, so yeah. Don't mind my dogs barking. They always bark when there's a knocking noise. And always when they see me. So what's this? A flash drive? And a note. I'll read this when we get back up there. This seems important. Weird. Alright, and we're back. That was strange. But yeah, obviously I took you guys with me, so I'll have my phone footage in there for you guys, so. But yeah, it says, "You seem to be the only one who believes me. That flash drive could only fit 4 videos. Here's a 5th one that was not included. Lotus Libra 97666. It's Lotus Libra again. I'll definitely after the video, I will definitely look into this. So, yeah. And, I'll share with you guys the 5th video once I decipher the code that is usually embedded in these flash drives with those videos. I tell you, getting through those codes really is tiring. So, yeah. That'll definitely be a thing I'll do. But now, let's actually search for an opponent. There's one stock. There goes one stop for him. I'd say we're pretty evenly matched. I guess that's why they call him the Quickster. Time to use what I call the final slide, since you know it's Nickelodeon. Let me know if you want me to turn this into a series or just playing games like this. Oh, he ledge guarded me. That was not fun. He ledge guarded me. What? Oh yeah, for those of you who are new to my channel, I usually swear, so don't think like, oh, you're gonna get demonetized. Like, I already know I'm gonna get demonetized, and I honestly, I'm not monetized at all anyways, so like, why should I really care about my language? And that was the first round done. I lost the first round. Let's try again. Who knows, I might actually message my friend and see if he can get online to play this game. Who knows? In fact, I actually have my phone with me so I can see it. But apparently he can't do anything because problems. So I'm just gonna keep talking to him though. So yeah, sorry that there's not much battling in this video because you know a lot of stuff happened with like the flash that was mysteriously delivered to my house and like just a lot of shit. Just a lot of shit, okay? Because of course he is.
2, 1.
Okay then. That's funny. Possessed Patrick versus SpongeBob. No fucking shot! Like, no fucking shot. I have no freaking shot against this guy. Okay, Eternal Flame guy? You, sir, are a fucking hacker. I could just tell, but it's the way you're freaking battling. Well, hope you liked this video, and, yeah. That's the end of this video, I guess. It bugged out on me.